Hello, in today's video, we'll be learning how to edit our PDF files using Microsoft Word in very simple steps. First of all, I have a document here, which is a PDF file. Now, this is my PDF file that I want to make some changes on. Now, currently, I cannot make any changes on this file because it's in a PDF format. I am now pressing my backspace, trying to delete, trying to change, but nothing is happening. So what should we do now? First of all, what you should do is try to open your Microsoft Word, which is this one. When your Microsoft Word opens, what you need to do is you click on blank document. After clicking on your blank document and having this interface, you go to File. When you open File, you go to Open and find the folder where you put your PDF file that you want to edit. For me, my PDF file is in here. So I open it and this is it here. Automatically, Word document is converting my PDF file. So now it has been converted to a Word file. Now I can edit every part of this document. For example, I can change Sierra Leone to United States. I can change Dr. David M. Senge to Dr. Almami Kabo. You see, I can change this one from key message to important message. MP to important message. You see, I have changed this one. So okay, IMPOR, okay, important message. You see, I've changed it from key message to important message, and also change this name from Dr. Senge to Dr. Almami Kabo, and here also from Sierra Leone to United States. I've done particular changes that I want to do. If I want to change this here also to 1984, I can also do it, you see. So after doing everything that you want to do in your file, you go back to this corner of Microsoft Word and click on File. When you click on File, you see this one where they say Save As. You click on it and choose where you want to save your particular file. I want to save my file in this particular folder. Click on it. Now it has bring me here to where I want to save it. Now it's left with you to decide how you want to save your file. Maybe you want to leave it as a Word document. You want to take it back to PDF format. If you want to take it to a PDF format, you click on PDF and it will automatically go back to PDF format. You can change the name. So let me just put this one, corrected file. So you see, I have put it now to PDF. I can click on save. Done. So now it is going to open again as a PDF file. So now you see, I have made the changes. Remove this one to this one. The previous file was this. You can see Dr. David M. Senge. Here is Sierra Leone and here is key message. The corrected one, we have important message, Dr. Almami Kabo and United States. So it's very simple and straightforward. You can save the file as a Word document that you can later change again to anything that you. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.